Something strange is happening in the tablet market right now. Apple made the iPad Pro thinner. OnePlus attacked pricing. Huawei pushed laptop-style productivity. But Samsung might be preparing the first Android tablet that genuinely blurs the line between creator workstation and ultra-portable PC. Now the question is not whether the Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra will be powerful. It is whether competitors are already running out of answers. One of the most notable changes is the reported move toward the MediaTek Dimensity 9500 class platform for global variants. This aligns with a broader industry trend where MediaTek is increasingly used for sustained performance workloads rather than peak benchmark numbers. In contrast, Apple's M-series iPads still lead in raw single-core and app optimization, while Snapdragon-based Android tablets typically dominate GPU-heavy scenarios like emulation. Samsung's apparent shift suggests a priority on thermal stability and on-device AI processing instead of chasing benchmark leadership. Display evolution is another key battleground. The Tab S11 Ultra already sits at 14.6 inches with AMOLED 2X technology, but the S12 Ultra is rumored to push toward Tandem OLED architecture. If confirmed, this could significantly improve brightness efficiency and burn-in resistance, potentially reaching near 2,500 to 3,000 nits peak HDR output. This would place Samsung in direct competition with Apple's latest OLED iPad Pro panels, especially in outdoor readability and sustained HDR performance. Memory and multitasking headroom also appear to be expanding aggressively. Leaks suggest configurations scaling up to 24 GB RAM and possibly 2 TB storage. That level of hardware places the device closer to ultra-portable Windows laptops than traditional Android tablets. However, real-world performance will still depend heavily on One UI optimization and Samsung DeX efficiency, which remains the company's key productivity differentiator. Competitively, the pressure is no longer just Apple. The OnePlus Pad series is improving keyboard-driven workflows at lower price tiers, while Huawei's MatePad lineup is advancing multi-device collaboration in markets where Google services are not a constraint. This forces Samsung into a position where hardware alone is not enough. Ecosystem depth becomes critical. Battery capacity is expected to remain in the 11,000 to 12,000 mAh range, paired with faster charging possibly scaling beyond 45 wh. While not revolutionary, efficiency gains from newer 3nm class chipsets could extend real-world endurance, especially under mixed DX workloads. Overall, the S12 Ultra appears to be an evolutionary but strategically important upgrade, less about redefining the tablet and more about reinforcing Samsung's position in the premium productivity segment against increasingly diversified competition. Thanks for watching. The Galaxy Tab S12 Ultra is not trying to change what a tablet is, but what it competes with. Between AI-first chips, OLED advancements, and expanded multitasking limits, Samsung is clearly aiming at laptop territory. The real question is whether software maturity can finally match the hardware ambition. What matters most to you? Raw power, display quality, or ecosystem? Let us know in the comments.